Twitch Affiliate Requirements Explained 2025 Update. Do you want to start earning money on Twitch in 2025? Then the first step is becoming a Twitch affiliate. And the good news is that Twitch has updated the requirements, making it much easier and faster to qualify this year. Let's break it down step by step. To qualify for affiliate, here's what you need to do within a 30-day period. Stream for at least 4 hours total. Stream on for different days. Reach an average of 3 viewers. Gain at least 25 followers. That's it. Compared to the old requirements, this is a big change. Previously, you had to stream 8 hours across 7 different days and get 50 followers. Twitch has literally cut the requirements in half, which means you can now hit affiliate much quicker. So, what happens when you meet these requirements? Twitch will automatically send you an invite through your email and also notify you in your creator dashboard. From there, you just accept the terms, set up your payout method, and you're officially an affiliate. Now here are a few quick tips to help you get there faster. Plan a consistent streaming schedule. Even just for 1-hour streams in a week can qualify you. Make sure you engage with your viewers, say their names, reply to chat, and make the stream interactive, because those 3 average viewers matter a lot. And don't forget to promote your stream outside of Twitch. Share your stream link on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Discord to bring in those first 25 followers quickly. With these updated rules, many new streamers can hit affiliate in just a week or 2 if they're consistent and focused. So, if you've been waiting to start, 2025 is the perfect time. Go live, hit those 4 requirements, and unlock Twitch Affiliate. That's it for this guide. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more Twitch tips.